Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make keyframes in CapCut PC. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow me step by step. So first, I'm gonna have this video here already added to the CapCut PC. You can go through your timeline to choose where your keyframe can be. Once you choose it, click on this thing right here to select the keyframe. This is my first keyframe, and then I'm gonna choose the another one. To edit your keyframe, you're gonna click on that keyframe that you already make, and then use the scale, and here I'm gonna zoom in on this keyframe. So here, look at that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.